root 3 into 2 root 12. There are 4 options. Option A, 8. Option B, 81. Option C, 48. And finally, option D, none. Let's do it together. So, 4 root 3 into 2 root of. Here 12 can be written as 4 into 3. Okay. Then 4 root 3 into 2. This 4 is a perfect square. So square root of 4 is 2. So the 2 can be taken outside. So 4 root 3 into 2 into 2 into root 3. Okay. What is next? That is 4 root 3 into, here this 2 2's are 4 and 4 root 3. And finally, what is 4 root 3 into 4 root 3? This 4 4's are 16. Okay. 16 into, what is root 3 into root 3? Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 16 into 3, which is equal to 48. So option C is the answer.